got this. Pay attention right now. This is serious.
Okay, I need everyone to close your eyes. What do you think of when I say Play-Doh? Most people will think of children playing with the Play-Doh, little tiny sculptures you can play with. I know when I think of it, think of the hard, crusty, colorful ball that you can't even play with because it doesn't do anything. You can open your eyes now. My name's Stinard, and I'm going to teach you how to make your own Play-Doh from household objects. I know when I was younger, my Play-Doh would always go bad, and we never had time to go to do Play-Doh. So we just find our own objects, and we make our own. Now I'm going to give you 3 steps how to make your own Play-Doh. But first, I'm going to tell you a little bit of history behind Play-Doh. Did you know that Play-Doh was created in Cincinnati as a wallpaper cleaner? I know I didn't. And then children decided they wanted to play with it in class. And that just made it a big sensation in Cincinnati. It worked in all the schools they used for activities. Now enough about history. Let's start on the first step. Now the first step is to get all of your ingredients. They can be all over your house. From flour to make it thicker. You need oil, some salt, some cream of tartar. You need food coloring, or you can also use Jell-O. And then you need some water. And then you need a bowl to put your stuff in, and then a pot so you can cook it over the stove. Now, with all your ingredients, you gotta mix them together. Now first, you just gotta get all your ingredients, so just 2 cups of flour, and you put it inside your bowl. You need 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. You need a full cup of salt, which is a lot of salt. Really weird. And then you need your 2 cups of water. And then you need your vegetable oil. Once you mix all of this together, it'll come this kind of like nasty paste. Then you're going to put it inside your pot and put it over the stove and cook it on low heat for about like 5 minutes, and it's going to make it look like mashed potatoes, which is kind of nasty. But it's cool at the same time. And then it gets to this texture of actual Play-Doh. Now you want to let it set and cool so you don't burn your hands. Now, after you put all those ingredients together, you got to put the color in it. You're going to pull it out, and you're going to put it on your plate. And you're going to add your food color. Now, you can add a couple drops at the beginning if you want a light color. You can also add a lot of it so it'll be nice and bright. I added some good color to make my own Play-Doh. You can play with it with your kids, you can make arts and crafts with it, and you can also play with it as adults, because I know I like to play with Play-Doh. Now, after all of this, you have your own Play-Doh. How cool is that? Now, all of these steps with getting your ingredients together from your house, from mixing them all together, and then putting your own color in it. It makes your own Play-Doh. Now, I want you guys to do it yourselves and enjoy.